Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak, your maths teacher from Mount Z School, Jhansi. As we discussed in our last video that today and this video we are going to study about the word problems based on division. So I am back with the same topic, and the very first question for the same topic is this. We have 1320 books arranged equally in 5 bookshelves in a library. How many books are there in each bookshelf? In the topic word problems, the first thing which we need to keep in mind is this, that we need to answer the questions with the help of the statements, right? So first you need to frame statements in correct English. So we don't need to use hi-fi English, we'll use some few basic words. Like we can see there are 1320 books. So we'll write total number of books. Okay, that is 1320. Cool. Equally in 5 bookshelves. Total number of shelves, we write total number of shelves. It is 5. How many books are there in each? Each means 1. In each bookshelves. How many books are there in one bookshelf? So if we are having the count of 5 bookshelves, we can easily take out the count of one bookshelf by dividing it. We will divide it by 1320 divided by 5. So 5, we can see 1 is smaller than 5. So we write 0 over 5 0 is 0 and 0 0 है. 3 नीचे आया. Sorry, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. So 3 we got 3 over here. 5 to the 10. Okay. 13 minus 10 is 3. Now we got 2 over here. Okay. 5 6 is 30. Again we got 2 over here. And now it's written 0. Okay. So we put 0 over here. 5 4 is 20. Okay. So 20 minus 20 is, we got 0 at the end. So this is a 264. We got 264. So 264 is the number of books that is kept in each bookshelf. So the total number of, we'll write at the last, total number of books kept in each shelf is equals to 264. So in this manner we need to write 3 points. First statement, second statement, and the final statement. Clear? To the second question, that is, Ravi wants to distribute 200 bananas to 13 monkeys. I have already underlined it. We need to distribute 200 bananas to 30 monkeys. Find the number of bananas that each monkey gets. Also find the number of bananas left after distribution. It means that there is going to be some amount of bananas, some number of bananas which are going to be left. Let's see if the bananas are going to be left out or they are going to be completely divided into the 13 monkeys. Okay, so let's begin. So first we will write the basic statements. That is, Ravi wants to distribute 200 bananas. So total number of bananas. Total number of bananas to be distributed. Or you can even write total number of bananas. Okay, that is 200 bananas. Okay. Total number of monkeys. Total number of monkeys is 13 monkeys. Okay. We need to find the number of bananas that each monkey gets. Again, we need to divide it. So 200 is divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Okay. 20 minus 13, 1. 10 minus 3 is 7. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, cool. So 17. And again 0 over here. Now 13 and 13 we need to count. We need to check that is 70 divisible by 13. So no, 70 is not divisible by 13. But what is the number which is divisible by 13? The number 65. 13 5s are 65. So 13 5s are 65. 70 minus 65 is 05. Okay. So we can see this, the number which is the quotient is the number that each monkey is getting. This is the number of bananas. So number of bananas each monkey got is 15. Okay, 15 is the number of bananas that each monkey got, and 5 bananas is the remainder, right? 5 is the remainder, which means that 5 the second question was number of bananas left. So number of bananas left after distribution is equals to 5 bananas. Okay, so in this manner we got to know that 15 is the total number of bananas that each monkey got, and 5 is the leftover bananas. So this is the basic kind of basic and the most typical sort of sums in which you need to find out that the number of bananas, the remainder, and even a person can ask a question that you need to find the quotient and the remainder. If not leftover or distributed one, the question may ask that what is the number of bananas which are in the quotient side. Okay, so the number of bananas in the quotient side is 15, and what is the number of bananas in the remainder section? That is 5. So you need to know both ways. Okay, you need to always remember that this is known as quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor, this is the dividend. Okay, so I hope you got to know how to divide and how to solve word problem division. See you in the next video.